Jump into the void if you dare. Look, I get it. Tax day, April 15, is racing toward us like a freight train. The IRS is standing there, waiting to scoop up its share. Last year alone, they vacuumed up $5.1 trillion. That's 95% of Uncle Sam's take-home pay. With a 2.8% economic growth, you'd assume they're hungry for even more. But this year, things are different. Elon Musk and his Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, have taken a chainsaw to the IRS, slicing through payrolls like it's nobody's business. We're talking about 11,000 IRS staffers fed through the proverbial wood chipper, though admittedly some terminations are still slugging it out in court. By May 15th, total IRS employment might drop by 20%, and further cuts loom ahead. Right now you're thinking, so what? Everything seems normal. That's exactly what they want you to think. The IRS is saying filings are down just 1.7% from last year, and around 85% of callers still reach a human, down from 93.6%. But hidden behind these numbers is a bigger threat. The Washington Post recently rang an alarm. Senior IRS officials are bracing for a staggering drop, maybe as much as $500 billion less collected this spring. Why? Because some folks are seeing chaos as an opportunity. Online chatter is spiking. People openly talking about skipping their taxes or aggressively claiming bogus deductions. They're betting that fewer IRS agents means lower risk. Let me tell you something from years in high-stakes negotiation. That's a dangerous bet. You think the IRS relies on humans alone? Guess again. Computers never sleep. W-2s, 1099s, K-1s, they automatically report your income. Fail to file and you're flagged by an unforgiving algorithm. They'll track you down, maybe even pay a visit to your home because they already have your address. And if you still don't file, they'll file for you. But their version won't include the deductions you deserve. Instead, you'll get hit with the full tax, plus failure to file and failure to pay penalties, up to 50% of your balance, plus interest. And trust me, they'll use liens, levies, and garnishments to collect every dime. Now, you could try inflating deductions, playing a little game of audit roulette. And sure, maybe you'll skate by this year. But if they catch you, there's no statute of limitations on fraud. You could pay far more than you owed originally. And let's face it, how much is a peaceful night's sleep worth to you? DOGE wants technology to replace human auditors. Will it work? Who knows? But in times of chaos, you need clarity. That's why David Tuck, Ex-IRS auditor from Anvil Tax, is here to help. David understands the IRS playbook inside and out. With planning, strategy, and insider experience, he'll make sure you're not just surviving this tax season, but thriving. Choose wisely. The void is deep, but you don't have to jump blindly.